This is I call I cannot see. Between me and the car in the front.
It's supposed to see better. You make it blink. Lexus, do you know how to drive?
Yeah, I cannot see it too.
Oh my gosh. Don't go too fast. This is the wind plus the smoke and sand. Keep going quickly.
And that tow truck came in just the right time getting in here.
Do this way, people can see you. Blink. Again. Oh my god. No. See, he cannot see, he cannot see.
Save 4 minutes via I-40 East.
Shit.
Wow.
They cannot get out either.
Just stay here and you see something in the front.
For 28 miles, continue straight.
I want to see what I wanted to see on the
It
bridge.
just cannot see anything. There's nothing.
I want to see the tow truck.
I want to tell you there is nothing.